Now I want to quickly demonstrate transaction control and how data is shared and locked between multiple sessions in Oracle. In the previous chapter, I had a table called test with an ID and a string field, and it had this data in it. So it's 2 rows, ID 1 and 2, string 1 and 2. And if we go to another session, which I'll call session 2, the SQL developer session I'll call session 1, this one I'll call session 2, star from the same table connected as the same user. There we have 2 rows, ID 1, 2, string 1 and 2. Now, let's go to session 1 and make a change. Do not worry about insert and update commands in this course. They will be featured in the next course. But you need to understand how transactional control works. So we're going to insert data here. It says 1 row inserted. We're going to go back, going to check the data. You know, there's now 3 rows in there. So I haven't committed in this first session. If I hit the front / key in SQL Plus, it will duplicate the previous command. And guess what? There's only 2 rows in there. There's 3 rows here. So what happens if, for instance, I go to session 2 and try to change the data that's just been created in session 1 but hasn't been committed? Guess what? No data found. Let's try to delete it. Delete from test where ID equals 3, which is the same data as this. ID 3, insert into session 1. Can't find it. Now, if I go to here and run a commit command, I go back up to here and I check the data. Guess what? If I do a select star from test, the data is there. And I can also go and do the update command in this window again and select star from test. Guess what? It's there. But if I go back to here again, guess what? The change is not there. So I have update from session 2 here, and I have insert from session 1 because I have not yet committed it in this window. Let's go to session 2 and actually roll it back. So select star from test, and it's gone back to session 1. And obviously in here we'll still have session 1. Rock and roll. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? What I've done is shown you how information is shared between different sessions and how it's locked as well.